This message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is a national emergency. Please pay attention to the following message. This is the emergency alert system, serving for the Shelby County area. This is not a test. This is the emergency action notification message. All normal programming have been interrupted to bring you this message. This is an announcement for the commencement of the annual Purge, sanctioned by the United States government. The annual Purge will commence on March 21st, 2024 at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. All citizens are advised to take the following safety measures during the Purge. Remain indoors and secure all entry points to your residence. Avoid confrontation and seek shelter in a secure location. Do not attempt to engage in Purge-related activities if you wish to stay inside your home during the Purge. The following aforementioned rules during the Purge are: all weapons higher than Class 4 are illegal for use during the Purge. Class 4 and lower are authorized for use. All government officials from ranking 5 and 10 have been granted immunity and shall not be harmed. At the activation of the siren, all crime will be legal, including murder. Law enforcement, hospital aid, and firefighters will be suspended for 12 hours until 7 a.m. Central Standard Time, when the annual Purge concludes. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. This is the conclusion of the emergency alert system.